been spending a great deal of time hammering and beating on this bit of metal now, so that brace bar is as good as it's going to get, I think. Probably even straighter than it was when it came out of Wolfsburg. And just been fabbing up another small piece also that I totally forgot about, which took a little bit of time. That's actually 3 different pieces of metal all welded together, and that is for the bottom of the pillar. Just that small section under there, I totally forgot about it, but I've made that small piece up now. A little bit of trimming. A bit of trimming to do yet, but it'll go in there, something like that. Okay, got that bottom wheel arch section in place now, and done a little bit more head scratching on this next adjoining panel. It's got to sit in there, although I've got to do quite a lot of measuring and accurate cutting to get it right. It's basically the new panel's giving you an overlap, just so you can cut obviously where you need to, but I think it's going to prove a little bit difficult to do so. Lucky enough though, a little while back I did buy in error the bottom seal, so I can sort of see how it's got to go if you had the option of using 2 separate panels. This one that I purchased is an all-in-one affair where it's got like a fake seam pressed into it. I thought it was better to use that at the time, but we'll see how it goes. All I've got to do is make a return lip on the end of it. Pretty much got each end of this panel now cut to size. Hopefully it should fit, and been giving this panel a little bit of thought. I've actually remarked my line out with the intention of just taking a little bit off of there, and I'm thinking of joggling the edge so I can actually do a lap weld there. It might look a little bit better.